It was evident for me, working as a UN Special Rapporteur on Poverty, that there was a lack of analysis of social protection system from a human rights perspective. And this lack of analysis was linked also to the lack of resources. So the idea was to create this platform as a tool to help practitioners, policymakers, academia and NGO to better align social policies with human rights. The platform has several components. First, it has a framework. The framework explains how the human rights obligations that are outlined in human rights treaties are important for the design, implementation, and evaluation of social protection system. Another important component is the legal depository. We have been able to identify critical jurisprudence, case law, in which domestic courts and quasi-judicial bodies at the regional and the international level has decided on issues regarding social protection. We have included only cases where there's been a positive decision in which, taking a human rights norm, the decision has expanded the existing social protection system in the country. We also have a depository of legal instruments that also include legislation at the national level, not only at the level of the UN and labor standards of the ILO. Another important component is an expert commentaries. We have leading practitioners and academics commenting from a critical perspective the human rights approach to social protection. We think that this is a critical contribution, is a unique contribution, and it's original writing for UNRISD in this sense. Another component of the framework is resources. So we have been able to identify critical materials, blogs, linked to other organizations that will help policymakers in getting additional information to understand a rights-based approach to social protection. The Social Protection and Human Rights Platform is really designed to help practitioners, academic, NGOs to have a better understanding of a rights-based approach to social protection. It helps those who would like to monitor whether or not the state is implementing a social protection system in line with human rights and ILO standards, to monitor if the states are doing that in the right direction. And it will also help policymakers to design and implement policies that are going to end up enforcing or strengthening the rights of the population. So it is critically important, it's very easy to navigate, it's user-friendly, it is kept up to date, it provides all the relevant information that everybody wants to know about social protection. So I invite everyone to check the platform, to look at the material, to send us comments, and to tell us what else we should include to improve it in the future.